Welcome back to our channel. Today we are at Berlin Autocraft, Kota Damansara. Today we have a Lamborghini Huracan Spyder in for IPE exhaust upgrade. What we are going to install is this IPE stainless steel catback exhaust system. And this IPE exhaust doesn't require any wiring works. So the valves function will remain same as original, where we control the valves using the Strada, Sport and Corsa mode. And when the valves are fully open, the exhaust gas flow will flow through here and directly exit from the tailpipes. And when the valves are closed, the exhaust gas flow will flow through this muffler before it exits from here. We are halfway of the installation process, so now we have removed the rear bumper out from the Huracan in order to take out the stock exhaust. And once we remove this stock exhaust out from the car, we will put it side by side with the IPE catback system and have a comparison between how the stock system looks like versus this IPE catback system. So this is how the stock system looks like when you put it side by side compared with the IPE system. And from here you can see that there's a whole lot of difference between the size and the design of this stock exhaust versus the IPE exhaust. First of all, the stock exhaust is very heavy if you compare to the IPE exhaust. And of course, with this very huge center muffler, it basically restricts all the sound on the Huracan. While this IPE exhaust, obviously it has a brand new design and it's a lot smaller, less restrictive compared to the stock exhaust, and that's why with this IPE exhaust installed, the Huracan will definitely sound a lot better and way louder than how it was with the stock exhaust. have another Lamborghini Huracan completed with IPE catback exhaust upgrade. Let us know in the comment sections below what you think about this Huracan. How does it sound with the brand new IPE exhaust? Remember to like and share this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting contents in the future.